Hey, welcome back to Surviving a Creative Life. I recently did this painting. It hasn't been finished yet, as a commission piece, and I really like the colors in it. So I'm actually going to do another one, this time as a swipe instead of a flip cup, using the same colors. So let's see how they look different. And start with the lightest color. I'm going to do some silver first. And I'm going to swipe it this way. And we're going to use black. I'm going to use some of this bright blue this time, which is a little bit different color, I think. What do you think? Yeah. It's dark with the purple. And now we're going to get the burgundy in there a little bit. And with that, I want a light. All right. And I'm just going to use a paper tube just to swipe over it, which might seem unusual to some people, but here we go. Here's my black. It has silicone in it. It is the only thing that has silicone in it. And I'm going to start down this end. See if we can swipe it. Ready? Oh my, that worked really well. Ooh, pretty. Looks really cool. I don't think I'm going to have to do much to it, although I did kind of mess that up a little bit. Let's do this first. Alright, I like that. I think it looks cool as it is, but I'm going to hit it with a little bit of fire. And I'm going to be careful about where I hit it. Let's see if I can bring some smaller ones into these places where I have big cells. Alright, I think I'm just going to leave it like that. Look at some of the cells coming up in here and how they're like those multi-dimensional cells. I love these. And these here. Ew. Quite nice. I think these are going to continue to develop